Hi everybody, it's NAVIFORCE here. Today we are going to have an unboxing review, and the watch that we will unbox today is NF9089S. Okay, let's begin. As you can see, the black outside cover is quite nice. The quality of this cover is very good. Okay, rip it off. There is an inside box, and the logo here is well printed on the cover. When you take out the inside box, you can see there is the guarantee card. And there is an instruction manual. It is quite clear to teach you how to adjust your new watch. Okay, here is the watch NF9089S. This is a Quartz multifunctional watch. First, let's look at the back side. From the back side, you can know the model number here, that is NF9089, and you can know some other information on like the material of this of the back, and the professional waterproof of 3 ATM. The case diameter of this model is 44 mm and the thickness is 12 mm. The case is zinc alloy material and the strap is stainless steel material. The total length of this watch is 240 mm. The stainless steel strap of this watch is a 3-link design with the center link offset by the outer 2 links. From the whole view, it looks like a sense of the light luxury style, and the folding clasps with safety is very convenient to wear. Let me show you. Now pay more attention to the designing details of this timepiece. You can see there are 3 functional windows on the dial, and each of them has different patterns. The upper window at the 12 o'clock position is for week display, and it has part of the Africa and the Asia as the pattern. The lower one at the 6 o'clock position is for date display, and CD pattern is applied on it, and the left one at the 9 o'clock position is for 24-hour display. Also, the outer rings of the upper window and the left one and the hands are designed in the same color. So the whole watch looks pretty harmonious. There are a total of 5 colors of this model. This one is the color that we talked about just now. This color is the rose gold white. The next one color is the silver white. This one is the silver black. And this one is the solid black. The last one of this model is the rose gold black. Okay, that's all unboxing content of the NF9089S today. Please thumb up and subscribe here, as well as follow us on the Instagram and Facebook if you guys love us and want to see more content. Thanks a lot for watching.